money true freedom, or another form of, what can I say, another form of control?
I think Robert Kiyosaki, if I stand to be corrected, I think Robert Kiyosaki's got the best definition for wealth. And his definition is based on time. Wealth is not based on money or amount. It's based on time. And it's not how much free time you have per se, but it's how much free time you can have that doesn't require you to work for your cost of living. So if you don't have to work for the next 30 days a month, but you can still live at a quality of life that you like, the house that you're in, the car that you drive, the food that you eat, etc., you have 1 month of wealth. Whether that's being paid for by your employees, or by your share portfolio, or by rental income, or by royalties you get from a book, that's up to you. But the bottom line is you don't have to work for your lifestyle for a month. So when we speak generational wealth, we're normally speaking, you have assets, share portfolios, intellectual property that generates so much value that pays for your life, that can sustain you without needing to work physically for the rest of your life, for the rest of your children's lives, etc. It's easier to quantify in money and numbers, but essentially, true wealth is time.